So chudi ana, here I mount my camera here. There is a mounting plate here. Mounting plate here. Mounting plate. Then chudi has a light here. Light here. And this is actually e-bike. Apna joda de because it pulls, gear. Sum sinse do analu gear sum sinse. You just need to plus. And if you need lower gears, you minus here. This is all electronically, controlled, and I put it off, right? Off. And the battery level this way they make this bike, and that the battery level is full. F not to do full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars battery level is full. That the over charge the way yalama jobe lo komdalo battery is still full. Do battery life achidi. For office goers, this would be a very good bike because battery is quite big. Battery ana rain bere do batala anale ana since battery dele tire motors this wara ana do okay the China le phaba the parts pass ko thadu on so ani no ana de hi ana di DJI Osmo Pocket 3 ana kyo ana le be I can also make it longer like this. I can also make it this longer, and it can still extend till here, right, to get the perspective. And you can see so and for a plain road I can also mount my phone here. I can just get the holder here, right, the frame like this, and mount it here. That's cool. And the phone there is this beautiful option. I can just metallic metal, right? So phone anake chu anake. So park it here. Let's go home. So up the ben nagi jigta jomba ana just look at that. Up the ben this is good. Ana apna it will really pull. Apna bhi aaj di de. Okay. Today it is quite hot, so my son and myself we are going for a short ride, and today I will show you the bird eye view of Jimmy-Tanka. Ana bola Jose. So he's there. Oh, he's ready. Yeah. Kogiri cycle jigta ime analo. So just look at that. His cycle is better. Just look at that. August Taiwangda and Balbaz Portal going for a ride. Gajinlo?
I Poktugu.
Huh?
Poktugu
ya? Nga hema jogi apa sinche? Right? Nga hema joni mo? Dale che jako some. Okay. Okay, we are getting ready. So everything is set. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Come. Ondoga.
Ondo.
Katawazin. This is Jimitangka. So you will almost get the bird eye view of this Jimitangka. Ana dong kasos.
Come
Bird eye view of Jimitangka. The Ana Jimitangka colony, and this is the school, and we are here right now. Ana Kogi, this is his, bike. Just look at that. This is his bike, all carbon, and this is the Jimitangka view. And today we are going for a ride somewhere. So let me see. See Jimitangka, and directly down below is our dam site. So that vacation starts. Kachale gochu ngache vacation gochu. So to make this vacation, very interesting, we are going for a ride. Son and father going for a ride. Cycle na journey lata to. So let's go. Will be able to ride this rough road. If I fall, then it will be tragic, very terrible. Atidesh, why? I am coming. Okay, this is my e-bike. We are going for. I'm not very sure whether this will carry me. It's carrying a little bit. Not very interesting. Yeah, it is carrying a little bit. Okay, let's go. Yeah, and maybe I'm going rough road na. So let me wait here. Cycle kiti besbe, but camera is bubbling a lot. Camera is bubbling a lot. Camera is actually bubbling a lot. Let me try. I hope I'll not break my camera. It is almost 60,000. So she just don't do it. Okay. He's going. My cycle will go, but camera break. Okay, because it is all rocks here. He is up there. So let me also go. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, this is terrible. Oh, maybe I have to, use this, make it straight, and just push my bicycle and go slowly, right? And we'll go to the top of the hill, and I'll show you the real view of Jimitangka. A bird eye view. So let's go slowly. So I will just hold my camera with my hand and come. Rough road na. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is terrible. Datara Tenjo Sasa be demede. Tenjo Sasa. Right? So because of this camera, I have to push my e-bike. It is uphill climb actually. Uphill climb. Let us go. Segiri jome mos.
Jome.
And camera many the cycle sarara jome. But his camera, his bike is lighter than mine. Mine is almost 15 kgs the chiduani. Maybe because of the battery. And his is around 7 kilograms. Carboni khogidi. Ana khogidi carboni khale. So khogidi carboni ana. Khanale hunde. Khanale hunde. So he is going. And I am also going. Yeah. So shaky footage. Thoni me gumati. So yeah. So from here you will get a bird eye view of Jimithanka. Anale loge me na. My cycle here. Bird eye view. From here you will get everything. Just look at that. Yeah, that is the thing. So come. See, botri tau me ngi cycle. Anale ben ngachi Jimithanka ki. But look at the colony. It is a big colony, right? I think I can count the houses here. Count basically mela chim la shadu. Yalefa bya chindi. Yalefa. Okay, yalefa bya chindi. A type se go chola offices se sugara anime. Map ke mi dusi de gar jungi. It is not a resident. It is actually the office. Ana bya schooling. Ana bola khagi school. Dele gate hi dele yalefa PHP 1 the 2 chari office. Dele yalefa ele be go chola A B C D E F ana school ki tha di F. Dele malema G. Dele malema di H. Say H type. Dele malema be wasindi. Gachimo? Dam ni me malema dam ni ana dam site. So anything so be DJI Osmo Pocket is not good for dirt ride, dirt bike. Anjum rough road nadi. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 lava bago me la ane lava bag tiki be jogo be. If you mount on the cycle or the bike, you will break the head of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Mani tente ime still here, right? So down there is the dam. Yeah, down there. Just look at that. And the dam email a dam. Look at that dam site. The Jimithanka. The honey. That is the thing. View. Beautiful view. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's the one. Father and son, same helmet. Yeah. Oh, sibe shiga. Let's go. Mara is going to break. Going down. Horse is riding, right? Yeah, just check. Emma. Yeah, he's going. Yeah, Joe. Yeah, he's going. And look at the bumps. So in the bumps, it is not very good. It is not very good. Matajo. Anale be phata ben ani gimbal camera gi lejine bese to ya joge
Jo. Let's go.
I should be really careful, right? Okay, we are going. So I should be really careful. It is still bumpy, yet the road is quite good, and he is going. Oh, duge be dame. Duge be das. My brakes are not that good.
Gari.
Yeah. So vehicle is coming one after another.
Gari.
So this road is quite risky. Risky in a sense. More vehicles will be, plying this road, right? Using this road, it is quite risky. He has already gone. He is quite good in biking, cycling. He is very good, and I am not that good. You should be very careful, when you ride. These cows will not understand that you are not that good in riding, right? When you ride also, you should be really careful, extra cautious. You should be extra cautious.
Gari.
Huh?
Gari.
Kale. Heavy cycle is not that good. Dora ana gari oni mamalu. Gari? It's a plane much more. So many vehicles moving. So many vehicles. Cycle taniki. This is the daytime memela. Gari o mosa ime. Evening is far better. He is going. Yeah, Jo. All this way, cycle na joila atara. Most of the children, they go for a ride. Daytime is not very good. Daytime the relationship in the mela, because vehicles will be coming, vehicles will be going. You have so many, inconvenience. See, I gari on there. So anusum gari on the bike. Since it is manually, balanced, manually balanced. Manually balanced. You should be extra careful. You should be really extra careful. Also going. I am also going. Apna, ani cycle the there, because you need less energy to push. It can really go. Apna be watching the ge khatam me bade. Isut na be watching the kho ge khatam me. Okay. Amazing. Apna the nga dong khai de daben. So everything has its own place actually. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging na listen to. Motor vlogging is not good. This e-bike is good for climbing. E-bike is good for climbing. So dari ride the anam chi bisako. Right? Acha chimne hichila lopi. Chimne hichi. Yeah. Cool. Set achi che mathe me ngadi. Oh, this set him achi.